Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Windows 10 3D viewer and one of my accessories. I'll be talking about my accessories in a moment. Now, the Windows 10 3D viewer is great if you're like a young kid, maybe a teenager, as long as you've got access to the internet. If you look down in your search bar on your Windows 10 and if you type in 3D viewer, you'll see an icon on your desktop. If you click on it and then when it opens, go here, go to 3D library. You can go in there, they've got everything from cats, dogs, animals, dinosaurs, if you're into dinosaurs, boats, cars, you name it, Microsoft have got the whole entire lot. They've even got a great, fantastic Megalodon shark. It's absolutely great. Go look at the assets, and if you click on one of the assets and you like it, click on it and you'll load in here. When it loads inside here, you haven't got it yet. You can look at it, but you don't have enough. You can't do nothing with it. Some come with skeletons, some do not. If you want to keep it, go here, go to Save As. It will automatically save it into your 3D downloads into here. So go to downloads, go to 3D, and just save it. And you'll automatically save it in there. As you can save it wherever you want, it doesn't matter. So anyway, that's enough of Microsoft 3D Viewer. And Microsoft, by the way, I want to give you a double thumbs up for the viewer. It's great, it's easy to use, and I like it. I like it because you can go to wireframe, brilliant, and you can change the lighting, which is even better. I think, how great is that? You know all this actually needs, really? If you had a tool in here to kind of maybe just slightly tweak the model, that would be great. I know you can do it I know you can do it in your part of the window part, but I think I like the viewer part. The viewer part is great. So I think just a couple of small tools, so you could do a couple of small tweaks to it, maybe tweak your animation slightly, something like that. It's up to you anyway. But anyway, that's enough of that. So anyway, Microsoft, thanks very much for the viewer. And for anybody who's interested, let's say you're interested in body parts, I want to give you a big range of body parts. But yeah, some body parts I will show you. Some of them you have to go to the website and have a look yourself. So yeah, for obvious reasons. So click on the models, as I said, click on here. I'm trying to make the models accessible for everybody, younger, teenager, elderly. So it doesn't matter who you are. So I said, I show the models, I show the geometry, because when I upload it to a certain website, some websites, believe it or not, they tell me that my models are back to front, upside down, inside out. If you look at the model, it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with the model. Okay, now if you to know if it's upside down, inside out, back to front, if it's black, basically, it means if it's like that, that's correct because there's nothing on the outside. If the outside is black, then of course it's back to front. So as I said, just so everyone understands this, and so the website understands this, I do check my content, animations and geometry. So if anybody says, oh, that's back to front, I'll say, actually, nope, I've checked it. It's perfect. So as I said, if you want to try my foot on for size, then of course you can download it. This foot, by the way, belongs to a 12-year-old girl. Her name is Emma. She's a 3D character, basically, in a game called Red Band Alley. Let's go next. High five, maybe? If you're willing to give me a high five, great, fantastic, brilliant. You can give me a like as well, or that's even better. So anyway, as I said, the hand, let's have a look at the hand. This is the hand. Of course, no problem again with the geometry. Everything is set perfect. As I said, this hand here, it's even got nails on it. See the nail parts here? The nail part is here. Now, of course, what you can do if you put it in Blender, if you separate this part, you can extend it so the girl or lady, whoever, has got fingernails. You can do that. Then, of course, you can paint it, but of course, you want to paint it. Of course, it depends how much detail you want to put on your character. As I said, my character, the fingernails of my character, they are painted, but at the moment, I'm not sharing that character. So it's the exact same character you've already got, except I've already painted the fingernails and I've kind of added a little bit on the end of the fingernail. You know, like when you get the white part of the nail, I've added that to it, just in case you get pretty close to the character. So anyway, I want to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. I very much appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's absolutely free of charge. But the choice is yours. I want to keep it that way. So if you want to subscribe, I would appreciate it. If you want to like it, I'll like it even more. And if you want to download any content, you can download any of the 3D content. As I said, there's no copyright, no restrictions on any of my content. So if you want to download the hand, click the link under the video. If you want to try the foot on for size, click the link below the video. Of course, the foot and the hand, just to let you know this, if you're still watching the video, they do have skeletons. The skeletons are inside them. I don't share a model that does not have a skeleton. The skeleton is made in it, but of course, you've got the option to delete the skeleton if you don't want it. So anyway, as you say, thumbs up and thumbs down. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay safe, keep it friendly, keep kids read the text. See you soon. Bye.